Burger King is officially testing a box of mini burgers. Burger King is testing a new king-sized sliders box, offering bite-sized versions of its signature flame-grilled burgers. The limited-time concept focuses on convenience and variety, allowing customers to choose either 2 or 6 sliders and mix between 3 different flavors. The lineup includes a deluxe slider with lettuce, tomato, pickles, and aioli, and a steakhouse bacon slider with Swiss cheese, bacon, crispy onions, and peppercorn sauce. It also features a bacon and cheese slider with American cheese, bacon, and aioli. The customizable box lets customers combine flavors in a single order, making it suitable for both light snacking and larger meals. The trial is currently limited to select locations in Columbus, Ohio, and Portland, Oregon, where the company is gauging customer response before considering a wider rollout. Availability and pricing may vary by location during the test phase. The trial is scheduled to run from April 14th through May 18th, though items may sell out earlier depending on demand. If the concept proves popular, the mini burger box could expand to more locations across the U.S.